What's up you guys, welcome back to another video of Nice, and remember, you are nice. Today we're getting back into another acrylic pouring technique. These are some big pieces like 40 centimeters by 120 centimeters. I got 3 of them and I'll be needing a whole lot of paint for this work. So please be sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the time lapse. Let's go. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. It took a whole lot of paint, as I said. Let me show you the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So around 11 tubes of paint. Somewhere around 11 tubes of paint. So my advice for you guys today is try. That's it. Goodbye. Now, so my advice for you guys today is not everything you do you need to like. Sometimes other people like what you do or like what you make. Let's say you make somebody happy by giving them a penny, 50 cents or whatever.
Don't be mean, I was a chubby kid.
Maybe that didn't make you that happy, but that person, he got happy of it. And somebody else further in the chain, they got happy of it because they had some more cash in the pocket. So don't always try to make yourself happy. It is very important to be happy for yourself and to be happy with the things you do, but don't only think about you. Don't only think about yourself. Sometimes other people can be made happy with very small things in life, and that's what makes life great. Think about yourself for a big part, but also think about the other people. So I hope you guys have a great day, and say something funny or sweet to your parents, to your brother, your sister, your nieces, your nephews, your grandmas, your grandpas. Get your cell phone, I know it's right there, right in hand reach. Get your cell phone, text them a funny message or a sweet message, and make their day happy today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, and if you missed out on the beginning, could you please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because this took a whole lot of paint and I could really use that like. Thanks guys. If you're interested in another video of acrylic painting, whether if it's drips or flowing painting, you can choose one of these videos.